So welcome to the new Fuelmyblog feature, which is adding friends, and of course the new friends widget. Firstly, log on as per normal and then go straight to your account. You'll see the new feature, My Friends. So what we're going to do, we need to add some friends. So firstly we're going to search for Fracas, put her name in there and then click on search. What this will do is then go through the search engine. There we are, Fuel Snuff View, add to friends. So click to add to friends. What this will do is take you to another screen, which is then going to ask you to confirm, do you want to add that as a friend. So click add to friends, and then you can go back to your account now. You've added Fracas as a friend. If you look at the bottom right, or top right, sorry, you'll see Fracas as a friend. So we now need to add some more friends. We've only got one, so let's go to the home page, and we can actually add friends also through the pop-up screen you get on the hover over. So for example, Thomas Hamburger Jr. here at the bottom in the centre says add to friends. So you click this, and what that will do is take you to the same page again to confirm you want to add to friends. So we're going to add that to friends, and now we have two friends. Basically, go back to our account and you can see we've got Thomas Hamburger Jr. and Fracas as friends. You can change the order by the arrows up and down. What this will do is allow you to display top 10, 20, 40, 60. So you don't have to display all of your friends, you can display your top friends. And that's key to the arrows. So what we're going to do is add some more friends. I'll do it very quickly here in an instant. There you go. So we've got 12 friends. So by default we only show 10 friends on the widget, on the friend widget. If I show you this here, look, you can change 10, 20, 30, 40. You can basically display how many you like. Now as we've got 12 friends, I'm going to show you the fuel roll widget by displaying the default number of 10. So my top 10 friends here, as you can see, are displayed. We've got two lots of widget code, one for Blogger and Typepad, which is dynamic, and one for WordPress and Xanga. WordPress and Xanga, you need to refresh this page every time you add new friends. Blogger and Typepad, copy paste, it's all done automatically. This will change maybe in the future once we do some work with Blogger and WordPress. Here you go, so my friends, top 20. Now we wanted to show all of our friends, so we've got 12 friends, we want to show all 12 friends. Back to the widget again, and here you can see now the two extra friends added at the bottom, one of which is Gordon Brown, the Prime Minister. So to display your friends here, you can click on each image and it will actually take you through to their voting page, and we hope you enjoy it.